Welcome to Truth and Life TV, where I share tips on how we can move forward spiritually. I also say when you win spiritually, it manifests physically. Before you do anything, you must have faith. Cleanse yourself from every iniquity and focus on God to answer your prayers. I pray in one name, and that's the name of Jesus. Philippians 2 verse 10 says that at the name of Jesus, every knee should bow, of things in heaven and things in the earth and things under the earth. I'll also show you how to use natural ingredients we find around us to release spiritual answers faster than you think. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified of my new videos, and I would like to read your comments. Let's get into today's video. Hello guys, welcome again to another episode of my channel. Today we'll be talking about the big benefits of early morning urine. Urine or urine, as anyone may call it. Remember, before we do anything, we need faith, and after we have faith, we need to ask God for forgiveness. And after we've asked God for forgiveness, we need to thank Him for where we are. There is benefit in thanking God before you do any prayers. There's benefit in thanking Him. There's benefit in asking Him for forgiveness. There's benefit in appreciating what God has already done for you. So today we'll be talking about the benefit of early morning urine. People call it waste, but they don't know the big benefit of our morning urine spiritually. The first urine that we pee out, medically is a waste, but it is a powerful tool spiritually. It attracts favor, it breaks spells, it removes bad enemies, bad energy from you. It is a good tool to pray with. So today I'll be telling us some of the ways that we can use our early morning urine. The first one is when you wake up in the morning, don't speak to anyone yet. Get your early morning urine in a bowl like this. In a bowl like this. Get your early morning urine in a bowl like this and begin to pray. And begin, like as I said, you need faith. If you believe this will not work for you, there's no point doing it. But once you do it according to your belief, so get your early morning urine in a bowl like this and begin to pray. And begin to first ask for forgiveness. After you've asked for forgiveness, before you even speak to anyone yet, ask for forgiveness. Even apart from using your urine to do anything in the morning, even before you even speak to anybody in the morning, it is a very good attitude to cultivate, to always first speak to your God. Speak to your God and thank Him for waking you up. Thank Him for everything around you. It is a very, very good habit to cultivate. Yeah, back to our video. Ask God for forgiveness, then thank Him for all that He has done for you. Then begin to decree. Begin to say the things that you want. The things that you want God to do for you. Begin to say it into this your urine. Begin to ask God to break all these chains, all these things that is hindering you from moving forward. Then the next thing you need to do is then you wash your face with it. And then as you wash your face with it, leave it to dry. Leave it to dry. Don't use soap to now wash it off. Just wash your face. You can wait a little while, let it dry. Then after it dries, then you can now wash your face and go about your day. Remember, never use soap. Just wash your face and go about your day. Another way is to pour some of this urine into your bathing water. And when you pour it into your bathing water, remember, like I said, don't use soap. and don't use sponge. Then just bathe, pour some into the water you are going to bathe with, and then use it to bathe, and then you can go your way. Let it dry upon you. Don't use your towel to dry up. Just let it dry on you, and then you go your way. You can also pour some into your mop water, the water that you are about to use in cleaning your house or cleaning your place of business. Just pour a little into it, and then begin to use it to mop around the place. So as you mop around the place, it will attract more customers. It will attract more customers. Remember, when you are using your urine, never use soap, never use sponge, and never dry up. Just let it dry on you. Never use a towel to do it. And also, there's a warning with this urine. Please don't do it every day. Too much of everything is dangerous. Don't use it more than 7 times in a month max. Too much of everything is dangerous. Please just use it once in a while. Once in a while will be good. And one other way is, if you find that things are not moving well for you, I always say there are 3 women in your life that are very powerful. And the first one is your mother, the second one is your wife, and the third one is your daughter. So these 3 women are powerful in your life. But can I tell you something? If you are married, the most powerful of these 3 is your wife. It's your wife, believe you me. If she's sincere and faithful towards you, the most powerful here is your wife. So if you discover that things are not moving well for you, if you can ask your mother for a drop for some of her urine, and you use it, pour some in water and bathe, you will see how things will begin to turn around for you. But if you cannot do that, you can ask for your wife's one, the one for your wife. Tell them whatever you are about to do. Don't begin to force it, because they will think you want to do ritual. So just, you know what I'm saying, just get the one for your wife or your mother. Pour some in your bathing water and bathe with it. You will see a big turnaround. Please don't use the one of your children, of your daughter. Your child can pray for you, but never use our own urine to bathe. So this, either your mother or your wife, and I tell you, you will see a big turnaround. And remember, you need faith in everything that you do. Without faith, there is nothing that will work for you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for staying with me. God bless.